Hey everyone, so I've actually been trying to go mountain biking this past couple days, but it's been raining off and on, and normally it doesn't rain out here at all, so instead what I went ahead and did and bought this orange seal tubeless conversion kit. It's supposed to have everything you need to go tubeless, so it brings rim tape, removable valve core stems, the valve core tool, and about 8 ounces of sealant with a twist lock injector. This is going to be my first time opening up. I don't really know what everything's going to look like or how to do this, but I'm hoping to learn pretty soon. Yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so we actually have the sealant. Very big part in actually sealing up those holes. It comes with rim tape, and it comes with, wow, whoopsie, this neat little bag here. It looks like it brings everything you need. Assortment of colors right there on that one, and it looks like it brings this tiny little instruction book, and you have the actual valve port itself. Oh wow, it's actually pretty good quality stuff. I'm actually impressed. You got an O-ring right here, and let's see, nuts, core tools. Yeah, it looks like you have everything you need. I'm actually looking forward to doing this. I've never actually done this before, so this is going to be my first time doing this. Probably going to end up doing this either this weekend or the following one, depending. I'll let you know how that goes. If not, I'll actually record myself trying to do that for the first time. Should be fun. Anyways, thanks for watching, and have a great day.